Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll be learning to create a resource group. That's after you've already created your free account. So now let's start. As you can see, I've created an account. My account is life.trading@outlook.com. So I'll click into it. Wait for it to load. Enter my password. You can make it simple if you wish. Oh dear. Okay, I'm in. So let's create our resource group. By the way, I've customized my own dashboard. If you wish, you could see how my dashboard looks. Just plain and simple. So let's create a resource group. Clicking on create resource group. Go back to the dashboard. I can see this is my customized dashboard. I don't have many stuff because what's the point of having all that? You don't need too many icons there. So I have this few. You can customize yours as well just to follow my tutorials. So I'll click on, if I click on resource group, as you can see there's nothing there. That's because we are just going to learn, we're just going to create it. So click on add. So a resource group helps to group all resources in one place, just like having a project. So we'll give our resource group, let's give it a name, say, resource group UK, for example. This is UK. Region, I'll say I'm in the UK. Nice and easy. UK. You can see various options there. I've picked that. That's fine. Done that, and I click on review plus create. So this is how my resource group is going to be, and I'll click on create. All I just have to do is just click on refresh. Just click on refresh, then we'll see how, then you'll see the resource group. You should see it. Remember, we have just £150 credit remaining. The same thing as having $200. Okay, and this should be the end of this video. I will move to the next one. See you then.